I'll make it all come true.
Hey fellas, welcome back to my brand new video. So in this video we will make a form of marathon. So let's begin. So first we will create a new file, then save it, and I will save it in desktop. So I will give it a name, then extension, then save it. So now we will start with the basic of HTML. Give a title, marathon form. Now so first we will add a background color. For that the tag is in the body and write background. Now in this double quote paste the link. I will search here solid bg, then go to the image section, then this is great, and copy image address. Don't copy the link address, copy image address. Go to your editor and paste the link here. Now let's preview our website. So our website is now colorful. Now let's add some changes and then complete our website. So now I have to add a image of a boy running or something that connect to marathon. So for that the tag is img, and just paste the link in between the double quotes. Search for marathon HD image, then go to the image section. Make sure the image is of 4K quality, not 360 pixel or 480. So this image looks great. I will copy the image address, then paste it. Now let's see our website. Refresh it. See, now the image is coming. So in the form everything should be in the center. So for that the tag is center. Yes, now whatever you will write, it will automatically come in the center of our web page. Now we are all set. Now we have to write, please fill the form correctly. So I will use here h2 tag and write here, please fill the form correctly. Now we have to add some input boxes and radio buttons. So let's begin. So we will type a name to be printed on your t-shirt, then this tag to leave a line, then we will make a input box. So to make an input box, we will write here input, then press enter. So we will write text in the double quotes of type because the name will be in the text form. Then the name in the box should be t-shirt. So this command will do, like if any user forgot to fill this column, so it will automatically suggest you to fill the form because it is required, it is not optional. So for that it is required. Then here, so we are all set. Now we will give the tag br to leave a line. Then I will ask the user to write his or her full name. Then give the tag here br. Then write the same thing. I will just copy the whole thing and paste it. The name will be full name. We have to assign a name to every input box, as if you want to connect it to a Google spreadsheet. So this is also a required input box. Then I will ask title. So I will just paste it. Give the type radio, because we have to make radio button. This button can be selected only once. Like if you have 3 radio buttons, so if you want to select all 3, you can't. Then in the name I will give title. Then it is not required. Then I will assign a value, which is Mr. Then outside the input box I will write here Mr. Then I will copy this all and paste it in the second line. Just I will write here Miss, and write outside the box Miss, then br, then enter, then paste. Then here the value should be Mrs. Then outside the box, then again br. So now let us check our website. So this is our form, this is the image, and this is the form. So here's the type, a name to be printed on the t-shirt, then full name, then title. So let's complete our form first. So now what I will do, I will write here br and cut all these br. So now it will look like this. So this is more awesome. Now let's complete our website. Now we will add a column for the user's email address. Give the tag br. Then as usual we will create an input box. Now in the email section we will write here type text. So there will be no title. After type we will write name. We will assign a name. The name will be email. Then we will add a placeholder. So placeholder will give you an example what to write in the box. Then let's write placeholder and write whatever you want. I will give an example, gmail23@gmail.com. Now the value box should be empty, and this will be required. This box is not optional. So the next thing I want to use to input is his or her phone number. Okay, just give the br tag, then press enter, then copy this whole thing and paste it here. And here the type should be in the form of number. Then the name would be, let's say, phone. Placeholder should be changed. We'll write here plus 91, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 enough. Then give a br tag here, actually here also. Then the next thing should be date of birth. So now we have to add a calendar for the user in the input box. So for that we will write here, select your DOB. Then create an input box. Then in this type we will write date, and the name will be DOB, date of birth. So it's enough for part 1. Now I will meet you in the part 2. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.